Hey everyone, Knights here and welcome to the series 6 of the Unreal Engine 4 basic beginner tutorial series. From this entire series we'll be setting our Android for the packaging project for our Unreal Engine 4, as we'll be installing SDK, NDK, ONS and with a JDK files too, and also playing with some of the settings where we can easily change it inside the engine as in the Unity engine. As been said, let's get started. From our last series, we have done all of this stuff. We have run over to our platform creation for our Windows. Now in this series we'll be doing for our Android. As been said, I'm going to open up in the blueprint for the blank project. For means that it's optional, you can select with either of these. It's because it's make our project really faster to explain, and it takes less time to upload and it to load up. Like here, if you come out the bottom side, you will have a desktop console. Inside this, I'm going to select this, click on this and select this to mobile or tablet. And if it's of your wish, you can select either a scale or a low quality or a maximum quality. I'm going to select maximum, and here without content, because I'm not going to be using this project as a main project, so it's up to you. You can select whatever you have to do. I'm going to select this as a folder. It's okay, I have selected, but I'm going to be creating the. As been said, let's do some of the initial setup inside the engine. As you have used the Unity engine, you have known what the Android require and what it will be. If not, I will be just explaining you up. It needs a SDK, JDK and needs also NDK too. These files will also require to develop the making a package for doing stuffs. And here I'm going to open up the file now editor in the top left. In there you have a project settings. Open up the project settings. If you open up these settings, just go all the way down under the Android, click the Android. Under this you have APK blocking, so configure now. It will configure and okay with that. And also if you have used the Unity in the the engine, you will have to select with what website, what company name with the project. What project are you going to be using? Like this, website followed by the company name followed by your app name. And also we have all of these stuffs. Will be doing that in the future video, but remember that you can lift it anyway. But in this install location, you can actually prefer auto or prefer external for making it really good stuff. If you have started with a 4 gigs of the storage inside your mobile, as here you have landscape to switch with. Also you have a landscape sensor, and you have all of these stuffs going here. And also hop over to down in this stuff, you have a Google Play service. Just configure, it will configure when you are uploading this to Google Play Store. It will configure it correctly. Inside this you have a under the platform you have Android SDK. Click on that, you will be pop up with a window that's called as give me the location of SDK, NT, Java with JDK versions in these specify here. If you have used the Unity engine, but if you want to associate with SDK, NDK and or JDK files, it won't work. Believe me, that's if you want, you have to install it externally for this one. But said that, let's hop over to the actual installing process for all of these stuffs over here. as you need to install. It is called as NV pack. I already installed this. It has a NDK, SDK, and JDK files. And you have, if you want to install this, it's, don't worry about it, don't be panic if you want to search from the internet. Not nothing that, but it's there inside your Unreal Engine 4. That's inside your engine. What engine you are working with? I'm working with 4.17. Just open up this inside the engine, go up over to the inside the engine, then extras. Inside the extras you will find Android Works. Inside the Android Works, if Windows 64-bit, open the up. It made default compute for a computer, just it will be same as this, where it will be changed for Windows 60, 32-bit and also like that. If you want to make it, double click and open it from a administrator, run as administrator, open it up. It will be pop up some here. Click next, and next it will be done. After that you will be pop up, wait a little more, make sure you have turned off this engine, because it will affect this engine if you have turned on this right there. After you done with that, it will be popping up with this window as Nivea code work for Android component manager. Inside this you need to set up with standard, or it will be default for the standard, because it's okay for standard. But if you are running with the lack of storage, you can select with the standard. For my in this PC I'm running with the lack of storage, so I'm going to be setting with this. In my another PC I'm going to be using a full. As I'm recommending is that using the full will be making you all of the installing everything inside this and make turns up sit well. As it, if you select this, or you can able to customize this if you know about these steps. And also just click create, or next it will be downloading in a few minutes. It will take as it is of 600 to 700 megabytes. It will be downloading, and after that it will be finished as your internet speed. And then if you have done with that, then it will, if you go over to the C drive, do not change any of the path by installing in the C drive. In the local disk C, open up the NV pack. Inside this you will be having everything where you can link with the engine. If you build from this, it will be asking some of the error message, but I will be working with you to minimize these errors, as we will be going further with our project setting. Go hop over to our Android SDK. Inside the Android SDK you need to grab the location for the Android SDK and open up these three dots over here, and you need to grab over all the way to the C drive. Inside the C drive NV pack, we need to grab NDK path. Just NDK and select folder, and it will be done. So as we need to put up, I think this will be a not NDK, this will be for SDK. Make sure you are doing a correct path. This is for NDK. Select the file which is this for AR, and for Ant, just select this and click select project. And for JDK, and you need to select JDK file over here, and after that just click select next, and it will be done right there. If you want to build this, it's pretty simple, as we did in the Windows, where you need to go over to the file. Inside the file projects, package project. Inside the package project, I told there is lots of bunch of programs over here. You have Android, Multi, etc, DXT, etc1, etc2, PVRTC, ASTC. I will explain you in the next upcoming videos, and in this one I'm going to be creating a multiple all of these stuffs for all of the ASTC, PVRTC, DXT, ATC, all of these stuffs. Just click this, it will pop up your message, and just I'm going to select this. It will be done here, right here, and I'm in the down right. You will click the show output lock. It will be done over here. After this, it will be done. This is that, and it will be done there. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up. I will appreciate you, or you know to what to do next. And subscribe it, and stay tuned for my more upcoming videos. Anyway guys, once again, thank you for watching. Stay awesome, keep creating. Nihal Knights EDU signing out.
This video is made possible by my supporters on the Dreadeye. If you want more videos like this, then check out my Dreadeye page, is in the link in the description. To stay up to date on my new releases, make sure you have follow me on my social media.